Welcome to the pinnacle of luxury, the world's most expensive and breathtakingly beautiful homes, where architecture becomes art and wealth knows no boundaries. These aren't just houses, they're private kingdoms sculpted with rare materials, revolutionary design, and unmatched imagination. In the heart of London, a $300 million mansion hides behind historic Georgian walls. Inside, it's a modern palace with a ballroom, spa, and underground car vault lined in marble and chrome. Every corner whispers elegance. Every detail reflects generational wealth. Now shift to Los Angeles, where modern design meets outrageous opulence. Glass walls vanish into hillside views, and $50 million worth of furniture is handpicked by luxury designers. These mansions feature floating staircases, infinity pools overlooking cityscapes, and master suites bigger than entire homes, with closets modeled after designer boutiques. Then, glide over to Monaco, where the ultra-rich compete for space in golden towers. A penthouse there sold for over $350 million, featuring a private rooftop slide that dives straight into your own sky-high pool. Across the globe in Hong Kong, ultra-slim villas with panoramic harbor views sit quietly, each costing upwards of $200 million. Inside, you'll find jade-covered bathrooms, velvet-clad lounges, and robotic window systems that change with the weather. Meanwhile, in Qatar and Saudi Arabia, palatial homes built with rare Italian marbles, crystal staircases, and gold-domed ceilings reflect a love for grand tradition blended with modern luxury. From floating villas in Dubai with underwater bedrooms to historic chateaux in France covered in priceless tapestries, these homes are not just shelters. They're dreams made of stone, glass, and vision. With price tags soaring well over $500 million, these properties define what it means to live beyond luxury, where every sunrise is framed by architecture, and every moment feels like a masterpiece.